one of the lightest drones that they make. 246 grams or kilograms. I don't know. One of those. That's it. This is the controller. This actually connects to your phone. Pretty nice.
Hi, baby.
This is all the other stuff. It comes with a total of 3 batteries, and this is the charger for all of them. So you can each battery should give you about, I think they're rated for 31 minutes of flight time. So you've got an hour and a half basically of flight time if you need it. So there's a battery already in it, and then there's 2 more batteries here. Charging cables. This is called the Fly More Combo. Comes with extra propellers. Yeah, 6 sets of propellers. This is the tool to change the propellers, and these are some extra knobs for the controller. There's 2 knobs here, and it comes with 2 more. And then it comes with a memory stick, 32 gigabytes. And this is all instructions right here. The good, the bad, the Philippines.